bed, dropping little reels of tape to remind me I'm alone. Playing movies in my head that make a portal feel like home. There's a burning in my pride, a nervous bleeding in my brain. An axe of peace is all I want for you. Will you never call again? And will you never say that you love me, just to put it in my face? And will you never try to reach me? Is it I that wanted space? Hate me today, hate me tomorrow. Hate me so you can finally see what's good for you. I'm sober now for 3 whole months. It's one accomplishment that you helped me with. The one thing that always tore us apart is the one thing that I won't touch again. In a sick way, I want to thank you for holding my head up late at night. While I was busy waging war to myself, you were trying to stop the fight. You never doubted my warped opinions on things like suicide or hate. You made me compliment myself when it was way too hard to take. So I'll drive so fucking far away that I'll never cross your mind. And do whatever it takes in your heart to leave me behind. Hate me today, hate me tomorrow. Hate me for all the things I didn't do for you. Hate me ways, yeah, ways hard to swallow. Hate me so you can finally see what's good for you. Hate me so you can finally see what's good